One Day by Naomi Tola. Illustrations by My Way in Education. One day, the circus came to town. I got to see a circus clown. His face was painted with a frown. But then he turned it upside down. One day, the snow began to fall. I rolled some up into a ball. What started out so very small turned into a snowman very tall. One day I tried to bait a hook to catch a fish in Falcon Brook. I didn't have the time it took. Instead, I read a storybook. One day I went to fly a kite. I held the string with all my might. The kite got up to such a height. Why, it was nearly out of sight. One day we traveled on a plane. It took us all the way to Spain. Then we traveled on a train to Paris and the River Seine. One day I saw a butterfly. I watched it fly around the sky, and then it flew away up high. I think I saw it wave goodbye. Bye-bye, butterfly.